Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to solve this problem, that what is square root 16% minus 4%. So most of people do this as square root 16 means 4% minus 4%. So 4% minus 4% is equals to 0. Wrong. This is not answer. So the mathematical way is, we know that square root 64, we write 60% means out of 100. So we write upon 100, and square root, it means whole square root minus 4%. So now square root 16 is equals to 4 and square root 100 is equals to 10 minus 4 upon percent means out of 100. So 4 upon 10 minus 4 upon 100. So now we maintain the denominators. So we write, we 4 multiply by 10 upon 10 multiply by 10 minus 4 upon 100. So now it's equals to 4 multiplied by 10 is equals to 40 upon 10 multiplied by 10 is equals to 100 minus 4 upon 100. So it's equals to 40 minus 4 is equals to 36 upon 100. So now 36 upon 100. So it's equals to 36 upon 100 means percent. So 36% is our answer.